Look at that hair. Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and Darren and I are off to an adventure. Darren had a trip come up to go to Florida for business, and I hurried, I mean scurried, to get my little beach baby ready to go. It is March the 3rd, and this collab is not till July, but I had bought this doll because I saw her on Etsy, and I just thought beach baby, and so I had her, I got her ready. Let's look at her on the beach. By the time we got to Florida, look how her hair, oh, that hair.
Here I am up on the rooftop of the condominium in Naples. Ready to go in the sweat box to work on the TV transmitter, replace some parts. A little hazy day, but not too bad. Light breeze. South Dakota light breeze.
Okay, girls, we gotta change our clothes and get ready to go to the beach. We're here. Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and we are here in the beach in Florida, but the sky is not sunny. Do you see the waves cracking in front of us, I guess you say? And we have the girls here on the beach, and I'm doing a collab today with Ayla Avar, Joni from Joni's Stop Motion, Tina from Tina's Reborn and More, Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse, Tracy, Eclectic Wondering, and Ina from the Dainty Seamstress. Please go by and see their videos today. I cannot wait to see their beach babies. And I have my little girl in the middle here, and I'm going to pick her up and show her to you. I saw her on AliExpress, and my immediate thought was beach baby. And I came up with the idea of creating this collab around this doll. Let me show you her face up. Good dog. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. We bought this adorable Sasquatch at a Sasquatch Museum, our Bigfoot Museum in Georgia. And last year we came down to Florida 4 times we're on a business trip, believe it or not. And last year we came down 4 times, and we kept passing this museum, and I said I want to go there. So this time we left a day early so we could stop in Georgia, and we stopped here at the museum, and then we went to Tennessee and rode our bikes. This is my beach baby, and that's actually, her name is Beach Baby. She has ocean blue, well, that doesn't look so like that, but she has ocean blue beads with ocean blue rings, her little fancy swimsuit, which would be much cuter in the sunshine, her pearl earrings. I just did a little face up on her. This hair is what got me with the beach baby. You know, we all know that girl, you might be that girl, that had that hair that would fix it in the mornings, but if she went to the pool or the beach, this is what she had. Just the curliest, cutest, frizziest hair there is. I love this doll, and I love her hair. Let me show you her eyes. She has, you know, if we turned a little bit, the sun would be. Okay. Her eyes have just a little bit of polish on them with a little bit of pretty sparkling pink. And then on one side, both sides say beach. She has a turtle on one side and a seahorse on the other. She has brown eyes. I couldn't decide which to give her. I love the brown eyes. This is a dog beach, in case you're wondering. Love the green eyes. And I really like these. But these are kind of my favorite. Let me know in the comments, which of these eyes, brown, green, startling blue, or blue, do you like best with my Beach Baby's hair and face up? Oh, and she's given the peace sign, and she has a pet seahorse. These are from St. Louis Zoo. Daisy always is carrying a lizard or alligator she carries. And of course, as always, Daisy's here. Daisy goes everywhere with us. That's why Daisy has her original eyes and no face up. Daisy rides on bikes and goes everywhere. We just can't take a chance with it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Thank you to each channel that participated in this collab. They'll be listed below. Please go by and see their Beach Babies today. Thank you to the Beach Boys for a wonderful song from the 60s. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Hey, Katie. Did we just go for a bike ride along the beach? We sure did.